Hi, if you are new here, welcome to Best Kitchen Guide. In this channel, we aim to inform you about the latest and greatest tools that are used in kitchen and cooking. If a product passes our rigorous testing, only then it gets recommended by us so that our viewers don't have to face any buyer's remorse. Our evaluating process includes extensive testing, features, and prices. So if you pick the items featured in this video, you can be well assured that you are buying the best product possible. Please check the description below for our featured top 5 product links from Amazon for updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started.
Our number one choice for top 5 best rolling pin is Joseph Adjustable Rolling Pin. The Joseph Adjustable Rolling Pin is ideal for bakers who like to be precise but may not be the best at eyeballing how wide or thick their dough is. The barrel of the pin has engraved measurements so you don't have to break out the ruler to see how long your pastry is. Just as importantly, this pin will assist you in determining the thickness of your dough. Simply place one set of the colorful silicone rings on the ends of the pin and it will assist you in measuring your dough to 1/16 inch, 1/6 inch, 1/4 inch, or 3/8 inch by raising the pin to those heights. If thickness isn't an issue, simply remove the rings and you'll have a completely straight dowel or shaker style rolling pin, similar to the French style but without the tapered ends. The pin is made of solid beech and measures 16.5 inch in length. To keep the rolling pin in good condition for as long as possible, hand wash it. Number 2 in our side is Fox Run Polished Marble Rolling Pin. Elegant natural stone rolling pin is designed from 100% marble and accented with sleek and smooth wooden handles, making it so that you can keep your grip hassle-free and spend more time concentrating on the task at hand. Unique marble variations ensure that this rolling pin will be one of a kind. Smooth surface with natural non-stick properties means that this elegant rolling pin is easy to clean and able to keep up with all your cooking and baking needs. Sophisticated design with elegant base includes nylon ball bearings for smooth and continuous rolling. This rolling pin set also comes with a smooth wooden resting base for easy storage. Aside from being aesthetically pleasing, a marble rolling pin has a few significant advantages. To begin, unlike wood, a marble pin can be chilled in the refrigerator or freezer, making it ideal for working with temperature-sensitive doughs such as puff pastry or pie crust. Second, marble pins are generally heavier than wooden pins, so they can easily flatten a stiff dough. This Fox Run model has a 10-inch pin and 4-inch wooden handles on both ends. It also comes with a matching wooden base for easy storage in a cabinet or on open shelving. Enjoy baking cookies or rolling out your own pizza dough with the family, then bring some ease to your baking with this white marble rolling pin. The rolling pin is 10 inches long, has nylon ball bearings for a smooth rolling, wooden handles for easy grip, and a wooden base for rest. The marble helps keep the dough cool while rolling, and its natural non-stick properties keep dough from clinging. Even the toughest doughs are flattened easily and effortlessly. Third in our best rolling pin list is Farberware Classic Wood Rolling Pin. This Farberware Classic Wood Rolling Pin makes rolling out pie crusts, pastry shells and pizza dough quick and easy, and is an essential tool in any kitchen. Made from durable, moisture-resistant hardwood, the rolling pin features comfortable, easy grip handles for added comfort and control. Rust-proof nylon bearings provide smooth rolling action. Hand wash with a damp cloth for best results. This no-nonsense rolling pin is made of moisture-resistant hardwood and is an excellent choice for any kitchen. The rolling pin's barrel measures 10 inches, which is fairly standard for most rolling pins. This model even competes in price with our budget pick, so even if you're not sure how often you'll use it, you won't have to worry about overspending on this pin. Even though this model has nylon bearings that should be rust-proof, it's still best to hand wash and dry this rolling pin right away to avoid any warping or cracking of the wood. Great for rolling out pizza dough, pie crusts, tarts, and cookies. Hand wash with a damp cloth for best results, and clearly marked measurements take the guesswork out of cooking and baking. Our fourth pick is Good Cook Wood Rolling Pin. This no-nonsense rolling pin is made of moisture-resistant hardwood and is an excellent choice for any kitchen. The rolling pin's barrel measures 10 inches, which is fairly standard for most rolling pins. This model even competes in price with our budget pick, so even if you're not sure how often you'll use it, you won't have to worry about overspending on this pin. Even though this model has nylon bearings that should be rust-proof, It's still best to hand wash and dry this rolling pin right away to avoid any warping or cracking of the wood. Last in this list is J.K. Adams Dowel Rolling Pin. A rolling pin is a kitchen basic that every cook needs. Made with waxed hardwood barrels, J.K. Adams affordable pins have a full-length steel axle that runs through self-lubricating nylon bearings, guaranteeing a lifetime of smooth rolling. A long rolling pin makes it easier to get an even thickness when making large pizzas or rolling out large sheets of pastry or cookie dough. This 19-inch straight rolling pin has no handles to get in the way. It's handcrafted in Vermont from sustainably harvested maple wood from local trees. The pin measures 2 inches in diameter and weighs just under 1.5 pounds, making it heavy enough to handle dough but not so heavy that it becomes difficult to use. It is not dishwasher safe and should be hand washed and dried immediately. Because this pin is so long, it may not fit into a standard-sized kitchen drawer.